Stop by and take a look at the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback